On today's show, I am explaining how to make recipe Nutty Slutty Brownie Brookie from Fitwaffle Kitchen. Fried one egg.
Wash your hands. There you go. Anytime you're handling eggs, you want to be washing your hands with soap.
No.
Okay. Here's a towel. And what else do you need to make the brownie mix?
1/4 cup vegetable oil.
Okay.
Yeah, right?
Now we're looking across the liquid to see where the top is to measure it well. Good job. Okay.
And let's not forget the brownie mix.
Let's not forget the brownie mix.
And the sauce packet.
Okay. You need a knife?
Yes. But remember, doers. Remember, doers. Watch where you use your knife. You don't want any bloodies. You don't want any bloodies.
Yeah, we want brownies, not readies. That's the oven that is preheated to 325 degrees. Here's a trick to get the most out of it. Take your fingers, pinch it at the top, and squeeze it out like you would toothpaste. Now what do you do to that?
Mix.
Yeah? What do you mix with?
A fork.
Excellent. Drew's trying to get all of the powder off of the outside of the bowl. Good job, pal. Sometimes a spatula can help, because you can really scrape down those sides. There we go. Okay, so we have our brownie batter.
No.
What goes into our pan first? Do you remember?
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough. Let's take it and put it in.
easiest pie. Daddy,
Yes, dear?
do you think the rest of the cookie dough will fit?
I think we can make it fit.
Ooh.
We're going to press it so that it covers the entire bottom of the pan. So, let's take it.
Wow.
Okay, so this will make a nice layer of cookie dough at the bottom. What do you think?
Looks good to me.
Okay, then what's next?
Oreo Reese's like a checkerboard.
Oreo and Reese's like a checkerboard. Let's bring this closer so they can see on camera. There are Oreos.
No, alright. No.
Just take it here. There you go.
This is easy as pie.
Easy as Brookie.
Ah, good one, Daddy.
Thanks, pal. Okay, there's the last one. So then what goes on?
Melted peanut butter.
Okay, just a little bit, because we have to have two parts of this. Part goes here and part goes on top. There you go. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Want to use about half of your melted peanut butter. What do you think? Does that look good?
Looks good to me.
Great. And then what goes in?
Brownie batter.
Okay, I'll hold this. And we can pour, right?
Yes.
Okay, got a new spatula, and I will pour. Scrape down the sides of your bowl for all of that brownie goodness. How's that looking?
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
Add more peanut butter.
Okay,
So hot.
great. And then you can make a marbling effect by dragging a fork through, or a knife, or whatever else you want.
Anything you like.
Okay?
Ooh.
How's that looking?
It looks good to me.
Okay, now, what do we do with it?
Bake.
Okay, for about 45 minutes. And this is filled up pretty big, so I'm going to put a cookie sheet under it just in case. Anything else you want to tell folks?
Subscribe, like, and share.
Okay.